Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and these are my glass amber 32-ounce spray bottles.
I purchased these spray bottles because I am reorganizing my bathroom cabinet, which can get pretty messy, and I love everything being inside of amber bottles. So I use two of these for one of them for my hair products. I make a hair mixture from scratch and put it in there to spray into my hair every day. And the other one I use as a air freshener and linen refresher. So I will mix up peppermint oil, lavender oil, and eucalyptus oil in water and use it to refresh my bathroom or any linens around the house. These are great quality bottles. They don't drip. They are perfect for around the house.
And that's my point of view.